currently at an abandoned military airfield. I've just got to be careful, make sure none of the bits are active and shit. But you can see from the sheer scale of the place why I chose to bring my bike.
Over to the left here.
Look at this little beauty, hey! Oh, cool. Helicopter. It's a shame Phil's too chicken shit to come and have a look. Wow. Riveted. It's got like loads of rivets in and shit. I wonder if this is the real deal then. I wonder why it's all abandoned here and like tipped upside down. Annoyingly, this is going to be a very cut up video because it's just the sheer of the place. I mean, another helicopter there, aeroplane over there, more airplanes, cool. Anyway, over and out. For a minute. Oh, fuck it, let's have a quick look inside. Neat. Cool. I am actually here with somebody, but he's been a bit of a chicken shit. More helicopters. Danger. Well, I ain't touching any of it. I just want to have a quick look. Neat. Oh wow. Wow, wait. Look at the front's all like dented in. Broken glass. I wonder how they tip these over then. It's just blinking bonkers. That one's still got a bit of a seat in it. I think you've got like all the electricals and stuff still in them. Here's the tyres. It's just tipped up on its side, it's nuts. It's all sabotaged though. God, look at this one. It's got all the innards. I'm not going in, people. I'm just having a quick look through the door. I reckon Richard Branson wants some parts off of this for his piggyback Concorde. But fucking neat. Look at the nose on it. How's that aerodynamic? Looks like it's been shot at. Broken glass. Hey, look at that. Oh fuck it, let's have a quick look inside. Oh, cool. We've got a loo here. I don't really know what to say because I don't know a lot about aeroplanes. I just saw the place and thought it was pretty darn cool. And I wouldn't mind seeing some aeroplanes. I've never seen one before, like. But yeah, there's loads of them scattered all over this airfield. I mean, sheer bulk scale of the place, massive. I think over there looks pretty cool, but I'm having a look at this helicopter first. Oh, cool. That goes for quite a bit. I can't see the control panel, but you lot will. No push. Oh, wow. Someone's drawn a smiley face. Shame the propellers are gone. I wonder what that's for then. Is this an electric helicopter? Fucking electric, what fucking bullshit. Neat. They're all quite sabotaged. This is what your taxpayers' money goes on, ladies and gentlemen. Fucking brilliant. Alright, let's grab the old push bike. Go into those jets over there. Oh, I think that's to put pinnacle of coal. That's what attracted me, is the fact it's got a jet plane here now. A jet plane. Oh, that's definitely cool. I'm pretty sure Richard Branson's going to want a few parts off of this for his piggyback Concorde. You never know. Probably is. Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that. I hope this ends up my thumbnail. I'm going to stand there for a minute so it can be my thumbnail for YouTube. Always take a screenshot, I suppose. Yeah, screenshot the recording page. What a great idea. Not. Oh, wow. I've only ever seen these on the telly before. It's got like a dual seat. Look at that. Wouldn't want to be stuck up that anytime soon. Oh, wow. Yeah, sorry people, I don't know much about these. I'm not really a military plane person. I just personally like to come and see it. Like, I mean, oh wow. Wow, wow, wait. I mean, bear in mind, I am actually finding this very fascinating though. This does look pretty cool. I mean, this is stuff I've never seen before. Like, you know what I mean? I don't know anything about this, and however, I do think it looks pretty neat. I'm actually quite surprised such thing exists in England. I really do. But, whoa. Wow, wow. Look at that. The jet engine. I wonder how fast that one goes. A little birdie on it. Like a jet plane. Shitloads of them. One here. Lying down. Yeah, the guy I bought with me, Phil, he's a bit worried because we're in a military owned ground. Well, my point is, until they pay my taxes, don't complain about me coming here, because at the end of the day, this is our taxes that paid for this. I'm going to come and have a look. Huh. I wonder what this hole is for. That's where they must have parachuted out or something. This is so cool. Unbelievably cool, man. This one's got a seat in it. I won't put my head in there. Oh, it's plastic. Look at all the copper in there, ladies. Copper. I'm not allowed to say that word, copper. Mine would be copper. It could be silver. But I'm pretty sure that's more in the lines of very big ships. This one belongs to the Royal Navy. I should have just come here on foot, really. On Google Maps it looked a heck of a lot bigger, hence I came here with my push bike. But if I come here again, yeah, definitely coming on foot, because bringing a push bike is just, well, there's a lot of drag. Oh wow, I just want to have a quick look in here. Eat. This is MOD take. But at the end of the day, I injure myself looking at this. It's my fault and my fault only. And quite frankly, I don't see an injury about to happen. Graffiti. Yeah. Well, this is then. I better bring my bike. It's the first urban exploring trip I've ever bought my bike. I think these are just like, these are more like training looking things. Yeah, I'm gonna go much further than this. Aeroplanes, helicopters, and big burning practice looking thing. That looks like a burnt out aeroplane, you know. That really does. It stinks of fire here, big time. Right, anyway, I'm going to cycle over to some more planes. Here's another one. I think this is an airplane. It looks like an airplane. I really don't know much about it. Neat. I think it was the first video where I'm just purely speechless because I just don't know what to say. I really don't. I don't know anything about airplanes other than I've never seen one before. Well, I've seen airplanes plenty of times, but never military ones like this up close. Usually I see them fun. Oh, cool. What's that thing on the top there? It looks like a flipping missile or something ready to come up the wing. I was hoping they'd have like guns on them and stuff. I'm assuming, well, no, that's where the landing gear would go. So where would the guns go then? Would these things have guns? Or anything like that? Well, I'm assuming that's where the like jets used to be, and the engines, and like where did the bombs go? Hey Phil, where did the bombs go on these then? Oh, well, are they like under here?
Yeah.
So how do they come out?
Huh?
Do they like hook onto these brackets
Yeah.
or something? Oh, I got ya.
And they don't really, harriers usually use rockets to make not like bombs.
Yeah.
That Jaguar, the one that's over there.
Huh?
Bombs carried on that Jaguar, these carry rockets and that on them.
All right. Yeah, so what's this one called then? Do you know?
Harrier.
Oh, Harrier.
Same as that one.
Yeah. Don't look the same, it's got different looking wings. Oh, cool, it's all camouflaged and decorated. It's like something out of a movie, this one. There's a bee in there, I can hear it like moving around. Bombs away! Hey! Oh yeah? Torpedo. Do you reckon Richard Branson would be here next, getting some parts for his piggyback Concorde, Phil? That's pretty neat. Hey Phil, there's an eagle here. Oh, I wouldn't want to be standing here with that spinning. It's still got an engine, Richard Branson. You never know. It might go well with your piggyback Concorde. I could go on about that a lot. I don't know how I feel the material because it looks like metal, but it doesn't look quite like metal. But it is. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, just careful, mate, because there's the cheap vehicles over there, yeah?
There we are.
shitting on the crap out in there.
Alright, go on then. Yeah, now this is a military training place according to Phil. The reason why, oh, talking on the camera. The reason why things are tipped over and everything is because it's a simulated crash. I see now. Yeah, there's a cow pack there.
Yeah, it's quite tricky, mate. Before you're fucking kind of crap. I don't know fucking seen on these planes, mate.
Going for a shit, Phil. Oh no. I wonder if these still work. Oh, that bit does. Well good if I can get this flying. Yeah. The fact there's RS fence in there, you'd think there was something cool in it, but it looks all pretty useless to me. Not going in. Oh fuck it, I'm going in. Might just be a lot of nothing. I don't know. Whee! Oh, got a cramp on my foot. Ow, ow, ow. Nothing great here. Looks like one of those war bunkers I've been going down, but with a bit of water in it. You know, I haven't ridden a push or gone on a push bike in years, absolute years. And you know, when I ride around this place, I've got to admit, it is an absolute pleasure riding around here. Mate, you should have seen that house. I was storming through a stony bit a minute ago, just like old times. I can't film myself doing it because I'm holding the camera. But nah, this is a military training ground. I actually thought it was an abandoned military base, but it turns out it's just training. Annoyingly, I don't know a lot about him, other than it looks well cool. I like that one. That one looks the best. Yeah. We had to go on a few like footpaths to get here. This is why I brought my push bike, because looking at it on Google Maps, it looks huge. Everything's like far distance away. There probably is more stuff here, but I'm not riding around this place like an idiot trying to look for it all. The place is huge. I can't really see much, so I'm just going to have a quick cycle around so you can all get a gauge of the place. I'm glad it's all tarmac because it makes it easy running a bike. You know, like the guy I come up with, he's like really paranoid about coming here. I've done urban exploring so many times, I'm sort of used to it. I know the law, I know what can happen and this, that and the other, where he doesn't quite. So he's not too comfortable being here, where with me, you know what I mean? It doesn't bother me. I get caught, it just makes an interesting video, doesn't it? Royal Navy. Yeah, I thought Navy was sea, not air. But hey ho. Well, I suppose air and sea sort of gets mixed around a little bit. Yeah. I actually thought it was an abandoned military base when I first looked it up. Looks like I was wrong. Very wrong. It's training. But hey ho. I bet these were used once as actual aeroplanes and shit. I bet they've seen a war or two. Or they weren't very fitting, so they didn't want to use them. I don't know. Right. I thought I was going to make a better, longer video than this, but to the looks of it, this is going to be all but it. Right, I think it's time and get going. But you know, you can see why I wanted to bring my push bike. Like, I didn't want to be walking all the way up here. I didn't fancy it very much, but I know it's not an active runway because there's potholes in their runway, and when you're landing an aeroplane, potholes is the number one thing you don't really want. I know that much about aeroplanes, and that's right about it, I suppose. I'm not an aeroplane fanatic or anything. I just thought it'd be cool to come and have a look, as I do. I'm gonna be careful on my bike because I'm filming and pedalling at the same time. Oh, there we go. Fire training. So England went back to war, and it had another, Churchill's, finest hour or whatever it was called. Then imagine this would all be reopened as a active runway. Windsock over there. I don't think you lot could see. Rub it on my beard. You don't see, you might get a good picture. Yeah. It's crazy. It looks blurry. Yeah. Nah, it's a bit smaller than I thought. I think. There's not a lot here. I'm not going over there. Fuck and capital fuck that. Yeah, this looks more used to me. Although you'll hear an airplane coming before it comes, isn't it? What's this thingy? It's like a old-fashioned, like, farmer's thing. Right, I think it's about time I start making a move. How do I get in? This is a helipad. Ooh, put my jeans in a chain. I'll do that. I've never done a push bike riding video before. Right, I'm gonna find my way out. Right, I think this video done and over with. Yeah. bit weird having a bicycle on a runway, but you can see why I wanted to bring it now. Look at it. Mind you, now I've got it, I've realised my bicycle's just been an inconvenience, but hey ho, it is what it is. Hindsight's 2020, but when you look back, it's a bit fucking fuzzy. And yeah, I'm not sure how well you can hear me neither, because I'm riding a bike, but at the moment, I'm trying to look for the exit. There it is. Alright, I'll see you all in the next video.